Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off or turn on Siri iCloud sync on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we tap on the Apple account profile at the top. Then go down and tap on iCloud. Next, go to the Apps using iCloud section and tap on the Show All item. In here, we go down and tap on Siri to turn off or switch it on. Once it is turned on, then your Siri data will be backup or sync to the cloud. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.